In this video, I make the world's first wonky earth sandwich. This is DP Learn Now. I'm Jason. An earth sandwich is when two people on the opposite sides of the earth have a piece of bread at the same time, and therefore the earth is between the two pieces of bread, making a sandwich out of the earth. Now I'm in Australia, which is here, and my friend Daniel from Austria is here. So you can see, Australia to Austria is almost the opposite sides of the earth, but not quite, which makes this the world's first wonky earth sandwich. We did this during a recent live stream. Here's how it went. Now, the final event for this live stream before the questions is the earth sandwich. And just so anybody who isn't aware of what it is, I'm going to share my screen and bring up a few demonstrations of previous earth sandwiches that other people have already done. So if I jump across to here we go. So if you look at this picture here, this is the top Google result for earth sandwich. These two guys are at exact opposite ends of the earth. So this man is in New Zealand, and on the exact opposite side of the earth, this guy is in Spain. And if you look at the coordinates, the first measurement is the exact same figure. Just one is negative, one is positive. So that shows that they are opposites. And the second measurement, together they both add up to 180.00. So again, that's the exact opposite ends of the earth, because 180 is half of 360. So this is what we are doing today. However, Austria compared to Australia aren't the exact polar opposites like New Zealand and Spain. So if I jump to this screen now, yes, I'm just going to move down a little. So if we look at New Zealand and Spain, New Zealand is on the left one, and you see Spain is on the right one. They are exact opposites according to this website. Now we jump across to where I am in Melbourne. And you see the exact opposite end of that one is the middle of the ocean in between Europe and America. So it's not exactly opposite. So I'm going to call this a wonky earth sandwich because is it just above Italy? Is that correct? Austria is just above Italy, so it should be.
So just try to get the Alps. So above Italy. Yeah. So then you're pretty much somewhere in Austria.
So I think we're out by a good 2,000 kilometers for this perfect earth sandwich. And my wife made a great comment earlier. She said, if somebody moved the top of my sandwich 2,000 kilometers away, I'd be really unhappy. So that's a very good point. So it's not a perfect earth sandwich. This will be a wonky earth sandwich. So coming up on this live stream will be a wonky earth sandwich. I have my piece of bread here. I kept it cling wrapped so it's nice and fresh. I'm going to hold my.
I forgot that we have sandwich time, so I have to excuse myself with like the upper lid of bread right now. So yeah, okay. Let's put this here on this stream bottom. So like this. Okay. So and maybe you could go also like to the bottom of your So you see here now we got like a.
There we go. So it's between these two sandwiches is the planet Earth. So we have a wonky Earth sandwich. To my knowledge, the first one ever done on a live stream. You saw it here first, folks.
So we do the record on the web wonky one.
That's it. One day you'll see this live stream mentioned in Guinness Book of Records. So there we have it, the world's first wonky earth sandwich. Make sure you subscribe to Weigl ProCreator. He's a nice guy. He makes cool videos. Can you think of any other cool activities that we could do from Austria and Australia? Mention it in the comments down below. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's time for lunch.